You've been throwing toilet paper away the wrong way your whole life. Most people have a garbage can like this in their bathroom and usually throw their toilet paper in it. But in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to do it. Today we are going to do an experiment and clarify once and for all what happens if we throw the paper in the toilet, because there has always been the doubt of whether to throw the paper in the toilet or in the garbage can, and surely you've heard that this is wrong and that clogs it. So let's clear all the doubts. We're going to simulate what happens to the paper when we throw it in the wastebasket. To do this, we will take a container and a few pieces of toilet paper. We will use at least 3 pieces of paper, and we will introduce them in the container. Once this is done, we will add enough water to fill it. Then we will cover it while we wait for the necessary time to check the experiment. I will tell you what happens every time you throw the paper into the garbage can. The first unpleasant negative point is the persistent bad smell that the toilet will always have. That's why most people always use air fresheners to hide the bad smell in the toilet. Many people even clean the toilet thinking that the bad smell is coming from there. But in reality, the bad smell is coming from the garbage can. Fecal particles become airborne, spread throughout the house, and when inhaled, can cause everything from inflammation of the respiratory tract to diseases such as salmonellosis and cryptococcosis, putting you and your entire family's health at risk. Now let's see how our experiment goes. Only 2 minutes have passed since we started the test, and we can already see how the texture of the paper is disintegrating, little by little. This is because the manufacturers use a biodegradable material to make toilet paper and thus not cause pollution or affect animal life. It is very common to believe that pipes can clog, but the truth is that if the pipes are working properly, this will not happen. And as a final tip, I'll show you what not to flush down the toilet. It may seem obvious, but some people still flush these things down the toilet. The most common one is a tampon. Don't ever do that. The size and texture of this item can clog pipes, and don't flush those wet wipes either. They are designed not to dissolve and can also clog. Now that you know this information, you can flush toilet paper down the toilet without fear and maintain the hygiene of your bathroom and the health of your entire family. What do you think of this advice?